Fuck off. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the last video, and today we have a interior detail. I know I said it last week, but this week we have it. We have it. I know, something different. Thank God. I know. Don't worry. And maybe next week as well, I might have a cheeky midweek upload as well. Who knows? Anyway, so today we have the Jaguar F-Pace back again, but today we are doing it inside, like I've just said, and yeah, there's not really much more to it. Let's just jump right into it. So one of the first things I do when we are doing an interior detail is to make sure to remove any rubbish or clutter from the side panels of the doors, behind the seats, under the seats, and then the floor mats as well. Now I'm just going round the door with a detailing brush to get in all the nooks and crannies and crevices to agitate any dust or dirt that may still be lying around that the vacuum won't always get. So you may be wondering what this tool is here that I'm using. It is called the Lily Brush, and it is amazing at getting pet hair and stubborn bits of fur and dirt out of these really hard to vacuum carpets. If you are interested, the link is in the description. Now I'm just going around with my pink microfiber towel, cleaning all the leather surfaces to make sure they're all nice and clean. And now we are adding some protection to the plastics, and make sure you always read your bottles, because this product, the Auto Glim Vinyl and Rubber Care, is really good, but you're not supposed to add it onto driver controls, so make sure you read the bottles. So there we have it. Unfortunately, the end of another video. I know, sad times, but hopefully, like I said before, next week we'll have 2 uploads. One hopefully about midweek, so look forward to that. It's not your usual detailing, car cleaning stuff, but I'm hoping that it comes out well and you guys enjoy it. You may be wondering why I'm in a different t-shirt. Well, that's because I reviewed the footage and I just didn't like the outro, so I've had to redo it. But basically, yeah, again, anything that I use is in the description, so if you want to go look what I use or want to buy anything, then go down there. It's all there for you to look at. And yeah, if you did like, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe and hit that bell notification, because then you'll be uploaded every Friday, maybe Wednesday next week when I upload. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. There we have it. Brand new video. No, it's not a brand new video.